Hey, hello everyone. Good morning. Snehal ma'am here. Welcome back to our very own computer class. I hope you all are keeping well and taking care of yourselves. And as you all had promised me in the last class, I hope you all are obeying the instructions of your parents. Okay, so in the last class we had studied many interesting things about computer. Yes, you remember? We had studied that computer is a very smart machine. It helps our work. It helps us to do our work easier and faster. And also we had studied what all are the qualities of computer, what all things a computer can do, what all things a computer cannot do, what is harmful for the computer, what all precautions should we take while working on computer, while working with computer. Yes, you remember we had studied all these things. And today we are going to study more interesting things about computer. We are going to study about where at what all places does a computer helps us. Okay. Okay, so before we start our class, I would request each one of you to sit straight as we sit in our computer class. Back straight, sit properly, everyone, and listen to the audio carefully. So, this way we are going to start our chapter number 2, and the name of chapter number 2 is Role of Computers. Role of computers at different places. Yes, we know that we use computers at different places. You might have observed that we use computers at schools, at homes. Then, what all places do we have computers? We have computers in hotels, airports, hospitals. Yes, so this way we see computers at different places. But exactly what a computer, what what activity does a computer perform at all these places, that we are going to study in this chapter. Yes, interesting. Okay, so let us first start with our favorite place, that is schools. So do we have computers at school? Do we have computers at our school? Yes, we do have. Yes, we have computers in our computer lab, in our office. Yes, in our admin office also we do have computers. Okay, so you might be wondering what all activities or what is the job of computers at school. Okay, so look at the first picture. What do you what do you recall looking at the first picture? What can you see in the first picture? See, a teacher is teaching the students with the help of computer. Yes, with the help of projector screen. Yes, we in all our classes we do have a projector screen. Yes, so you have observed this or you have experienced this, that teachers make use of computers and projectors to teach you. Yes, so this way we can say that computer helps your teacher while teaching. Yes, now the next, look at the next picture. What can you say in the picture? What is the teacher doing? Again, the teacher is teaching the children to learn topics. Yes, with the help of tablets. And what is a tablet? Tablet is also a type of computer. This we have studied in grade 1. Yes, the types of computers. So in types of computers, what all computers did we have? We have desktop computers, tablets, smartphones and all. Okay, so tablet, the teacher in the second picture is using a tablet to help the students to learn different topics, different new things. Okay, now look at the third picture. What is the teacher doing in the third picture? A computer, teacher is making use of computer to prepare the report cards. Okay, and what is a report card? Report card is what? Where It is a card wherein your marks for the exams are feeded up. Okay, so teacher is making use of computer to make the report cards, and then she take out the print of it and then she issues it to you. Okay, she gives it to you. Okay, now see, look at the next picture. What can you say in the next picture? What are the children doing? A child is issuing a book from the school library. Okay, and what is the librarian doing? Librarian is just inputting the details of the child. At what date is he issuing? What is the return date of the textbook? Okay, so this way librarian is also making use of computer. Yes, so we can say that at school librarian makes use of computer to feed or to input the details about the book issued. Okay, now look at the next picture. What are the children doing in the next picture? They are working with a laptop. Yes, and what are they doing there? They are reading e-book. E-book means electronic book. Okay, they are reading a book using the laptop. Yes, so this way we can say that computer is also helping them to read e-book. Yes, in the library instead of the hard books, the books which has pages, okay, which you can touch and feel. Instead of that, how are they reading that book? They are reading the e-book which is present inside the computer. Okay, the soft copy of the book. Yes, now look at the next picture. What are the children doing here, and who is this person sitting? Yes, who we can say is this person sitting? Can we say it is can we call it as admin person? Yes, this view is of office. Yes, so herein what are the children doing? Children are in the office and asking for what? They are asking for some records. Okay, so in our school also, in the office we have a computer wherein what the admin people do, what the office people do using the computer, they maintain the record of our school. Okay, they maintain the record of the teachers, the students, and all the things which are there in the school. Yes, so we can say that in the school the computer helps the office people to keep their records. Okay, now let's move on to the next place where we use computers is homes. We have computers at homes also. Yes, and what all activities do they do at home? I hope everybody knows this. Yes, so look at the first picture. What are the children doing here? They are playing games. Yes, and with the help of computer we can also do our homework. Yes, computer also helps us to do our homework and is also a good medium of entertainment. That is, we can play games. Okay, now in the next picture, what are the children doing? They are listening to music and watching movies. Yes, as we know that computer is a good source of entertainment, so computer helps you to listen to music and watch movies. Yes, at homes. Then in the next picture, what can you make out? What is happening in the next picture, in the third picture? What is the girl doing? She is doing online shopping. Yes, she is buying items using the internet at home. Okay, so at home we use computers to purchase, to buy things, to buy items. Okay, it is popularly known as what? Online shopping. Okay, when we order something, when we order anything from home and gets it delivered at home, that is called as online shopping. Okay, and for that item we pay online. We don't go to the shop to pay the money, to pay the bill. Instead of that, we just make the payment using the internet. Okay, so that means online shopping, buying any item from home, ordering any item from home, we call it as online shopping. Okay, so that also can be done using the computer at home. Okay, let's have a look at the next place where the computers are used. Yes, and the next place where we see computers is hotels and shops. Yes, so whenever you go out to eat, the hotel managers have a computer with them, and what do they do out of it? How does the computer makes, how does the computer helps them? How does the computer helps a hotel manager? Computer helps to make bills. Yes, computer helps to prepare bills. Yes, so this way we can say that computer helps in maintaining records of stocks and the prices. Yes, at shops, how does the computer helps? Computer helps to maintain the record of stock. What all things are there in the shop are recorded in a file which is present inside the computer. Okay, and also the prices and also the rate of the things and the sales of different items. It means what? How many, if we have, if how many the number, how many number of items has been sold, or has how many items are still present. Okay, the records pertaining to all these things are maintained using the computer. Okay, and also the details of customers. Details of customer means what customer had purchased what product, who had purchased what. Okay, the list of that also is maintained using the computer in shops. Okay, and at hotels, how does the computer help the manager? To prepare bills. And at shops also, computer helps the shopkeeper to prepare bills. Okay, so like this we will study more places where the computers are used, but in the next class. Okay, but till then I want you all to remember what all things we have studied throughout this class. Yes, so will you remember? I hope you all will remember that. Okay, so see you in the next class. Bye children. Bye bye. Take care. Have a good day.